cruising on an ocean liner to places I long to see. With my champagne taste and your beer bottle pockets. Don't forget to write me when you get there in your rowboat, when you paddle across the sea without me. Who says dining on caviar peasant with descendants of royalty? Well, with my champagne taste and your beer bottle pockets, I'll be having pheasants while you're dining with the peasants, jumping donuts in a diner without me. You said you have ambition to make my dream come true. Well, brother, I'm wishing that all of my dreams will come true without you. And if I'd want a diamonds, you offer me breakfast at Tiffany's, lunch at Cartier, you'd recommend. Well, with my champagne taste and beer bottle pocket, you would have to work on something better than a zircon, because your diamonds are this girl's worst friends. So if you want me to be a part of your permanent involvement, before my